So hello guys and welcome back to Android game development series in Unity 3D. So up till now we have covered a lot of basic topics in Unity 3D. So we also have created this beautiful game scene and the characters and the colliders in our scenes. So in this video we are going to cover a very interesting topic, and that is a character will collect the coins in our scenes. So you must have played a game and you must have collected the coins, and these coins ultimately lead to the strength of the character. And there are two types of coins. The number one is the paid and the second one is the free coins. So the collection of coins is the major topic of this video. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel, because we have been bringing a lot of resources, material and content for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, like other videos, we have asset, the coin. I already have made this coin, and we are going to use this coin in our game now. So just like other videos you have seen in my previous video, that we select the sprite and then we click and drag the coin into sprite. So before placing these coins, we have to delete some things so that we can really see the impact of the coins. So let me delete this tree, and we can also place these grasslands as well. So now simply click and drag the coin into our scene. We are going to place it here. Let me resize it so that we can easily grab this coin from here. And now you have to select the prefabs from here, and just like other videos, we have to click and drag the coin into our prefab so that we can be able to apply the effect or properties of every coin with the help of this prefab, just like we have covered in our prefab video. So now what we have to do, we now simply have to place as much coin as possible at appropriate location, and in the same way I am going to place it here, and the other one I am going to place it here, and one coin somewhat here, so that when our character will jump, he will collect the coin. So guys, for detecting the coin, we have to write another script, just like we have written for our bird player. So let's do it. For this, I will click and create C# script and write this script as coin collection. Now double click to open this script, and our Visual Studio will be launched here. So guys, you can see here our coin collection script is launched in the Visual Studio. So now we have to write an event when this character will collide with these coins, and this event will be detected here. So just like our other video, we have to come into prefab and select our instance of coin here, and from here we have to add the component, and this component or properties will be automatically applied to all these coins, just like our previous video. Click on add component, and from here, from the physics 2D, we have to select the box collider 2D. And one thing we have to click on this is trigger. It means when this bird will be collide with this coin, the event will be triggered in our script. Let me write that event here, and that event will be on trigger enter 2D. It means when our character is going to collide and enter into this event will be called. Now we have to recognize that which character is being colliding with this coin. So we can recognize it on the base of our tag. So our collision tag will be is equal to bird. If the object which is going to collide with this coin has the tag bird, we will self-destroy this object. And the game object will be destroyed, and in this case the game object will be coin. So guys, now we have to add the tag to this bird, because we have described here if the tag is bird, then we are going to destroy the coin or object here. So we have to select this bird, and from the tag I will select add tag, and from here I will add bird and click save. Now this bird is added in our tag list. Now click again the bird, and from the tag I will select the bird. So that's it. So let me summarize what we have done now. We have selected the coins, and we have added the component box collider 2D here, and we have selected is trigger, so that this is trigger event can be called here, and based upon the tag we are going to destroy the game object. So now one last step, that is we have to add the script to this our prefab coin, and this script will automatically be allocated to all these coins. Click on add component, and from here select the scripts and select the script coin collection. That's it. So guys, we have successfully implemented the coin collection. Now let me play and build the game here, and we can see here I am going to select the coin. So now let me compile and build the game here. So when I'm going near the coin, oh, it is not vanished away. Let me check. So we have to check the script. As you can see here, I have not saved this script. Click save, so that this script will be implemented to our coin. As you can see here, our Unity 3D is reloading the script here. Now the script is allocated to this coin. Now play the game again. So as soon as I am going near to my coin is vanished away from the scene and from the hierarchy as well. So you can see my another coin is gone, and this coin is also gone. And when I'm going to come here, this coin is also gone here. And in the same way, when I'm here, it has also collected the coin. So guys, you can see here my character has successfully collected all the coin from the scene. So for the moment, please bear this instability of my character. We will stabilize it in our upcoming video. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. This is enough for this session. See you in next video.